Really? Did you see we done? I feel like that the Amazing Race 34 arrives with her own season premiere. That's the way I really made it to revealed. And I went into the future of travels. And one of them is my friend. I went to see Korea. It looked like the heart of Asia, and that was so amazing. I am so relieved by them. Yes, they have a new song. Is the best things in life. Okay, there we go. They shared their debut single, "The Best Things in Life." Yes. Fly so high through the sky and share those memories, like taking pictures or selfies, and one of them tap into the world with your friends and family, and through imagination with laughter and amazement and so excited. Which one is the best part of them? And I feel so great that I have relieved your stress and headache. Yes, there we go. I have learned to save your life in the Amazing Race, right? Yes. And for the first time, it looks like the airplane was coming back. Okay, that will be the great place. And they actually look something new. I like it. It really is the ideal partner. And remember, the ideal partner was right here. And look at the first date. And 3 boyfriends have arrived. And like your girlfriend. Alright, and be returned, my friend. It feels like a lovely pandemic right here. And look at the big screen. And that's my friend. And look like the desires. I haven't inspired them before. I have to take off and like one of the airplanes are flying through the sky. And there you have it. I wish I could. And there we have it. You're back. It looked like we're heading to the season finale like before. I have been arrived at the performance lyric video. It looked like the bird. And which one? The big screen at last night. And pretended, and I'm just ready from the start tonight. I was very special to me, and my best of friends could return. The marriage proposal was returned. It was feeling alright. It was so lovely. Yes, one of the life's greatest. Yes, it's so magical that I have a flight with. There'll be no polite. That is real. And like that, I really wanted to fly the airplane like it really is. After my heart before and until the end. Really. Now everyone can fly. This life is easy and the life I've come to travel, and I'm really, really amazed. And there guys, I'm so impressive. Yes, it feels like and what it looks like. Okay, now let's hear what it looks like. The airplane was flying through. There we go. That's it. It must be the general. Alright. And I had a strong feeling that the airplane was starting to fly. And there it is. Let's do it. 3, 2, 1. Yes! 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 Oh my God, we did it! The airplane was flying through the sky. I did! We done! We are... Yes! Look at that! We did it! The airplane was flying! Amazing!